Hello everyone, my name is Han and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Form. So first off, you're going to open Safari on Mac and type in Google Form. And then you're going to click on the very first link and you have to use your Google account to sign in. So I'm going to sign in. If you have a Google account, you just need to log in. That's all you have to do. So you're gonna click on the plus sign here for blank. So Google Form is a really great tool if you want to do a quiz for your student or a quick survey. So I can put survey and optional questions. You can put your name and then turn on requirement. And then you can also have a different choices of answers of short questions, paragraph, usually multiple choice, but I prefer short questions for name, and then I turn on the requirement. To add another questions, you're going to click on the plus sign over here. So you can just put on question number one, and then put in your answer option. So power rule, etc., etc. And then this is how you create a survey on Google Form. But I already make one on my own, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that. Google Form. So you can see here, I already make one for myself. Differentiation test. So if anybody would take this test, I myself would get the result. So the result was sent to me, and I can click on responses and you can see the person apple banana answers. So the result will show you in a pie chart. So this is how many percent of the pie chart is the A answer, B answer, C answer, or none of the above. It will show that to you and you will get that result. And it will also show you the answer of the students type in. So obviously I only have one response. It will show 100%. If I have multiple responses, then it will show different percentages on the pie charts. And that's how you pretty much use Google Form. And thank you so much for watching.